Most WordPress sites look structured, but to search engines, they are not. Categories and menus are navigational. They do not define topical ownership. When pages overlap without clearly defined structural roles, authority fragments. Ranking stall. Growth becomes unstable. Topical Authority Guard fixes this by defining structural roles directly at the page level. Instead of relying on flat taxonomy, you define whether a page is a core topic, a pillar, or a leaf page. These roles are then expressed clearly in schema using is-part of relationships. This creates structural clarity for search engines before you scale content. Let's walk through how to set up the free version. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, search for Topical Authority Guard. Once found, click Install and Activate to begin defining your structure. Each page must have a defined structural role. Let's assign as the core topic. Now we define a service page as a pillar under that core. Finally, we assign a supporting blog article as a leaf under that pillar. This clearly defines these connections for search engines, ensuring your authority is correctly indexed. The free version ensures structural clarity, giving you a solid foundation before you start to scale. The Pro version builds on this by automating internal linking based on these defined roles. It even allows you to override flat taxonomy behavior, ensuring your custom structure is respected. Define structure first, then build depth. Without structure, authority fragments. Get started today with Topical Authority Guard. Secure your site structure.